Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open a Coinbase account, only ways. Start by visiting the Coinbase site and clicking Sign Up to begin registration immediately. Enter your full name, email, and a strong password, then verify your email address. Next, complete identity verification with your government ID and a selfie, and enable two-factor authentication for added security throughout your account setup process. I will explain the verification steps you must complete to open a Coinbase account, step by step. After email confirmation, choose Identity Verification and upload a clear photo of your government ID using your phone. Follow with a selfie verification so the system can match your face to the ID. Finally, enter your residential address and answer the identity questions truthfully to finish verification and unlock deposit and trading features. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful videos for you. Quick recommendation. For those who snack while learning, try leak-proof meal prep containers that seal tight and fit easily in bags. They make busy days and phone-side snacks less messy, and they stack neatly for meal planning. Check the description for the product link and extra deals, and now let's get back to the video. I will help you fund and secure your Coinbase account with easy steps you can trust. Once verified, link your bank account or debit card and add a small deposit to confirm the payment method works. Set up two-factor authentication and save recovery phrases and backup codes offline in a safe place. Monitor account activity regularly and use strong, unique passwords to reduce the risk of unauthorized access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.